Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today it's time to try Dave's Hot Chicken, Kissimmee, Florida. Come on in, check it out. Here we go guys, getting ready to head into Dave's Hot Chicken. By the way, this is right across the street. I'm in Kissimmee, but this is Route 192. You're about literally 7-8 minutes away from Disney World. And right across Route 192 is Celebration, Florida. But I have not tried Dave's Hot Chicken yet. Looking forward to it. They do have some outdoor seating. Let's head in together like we like to do on Medling World. And before we enter in together, guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Here we are. Oh, it's kind of like all open in the front like that. That's pretty cool. Almost like a garage door. This used to be Tijuana Flats. And now, check out the theming in here. So, Dave's Hot Chicken. By the way, there are numerous Dave's Hot Chicken all around the United States. Tons of them. I guess it started in California. A few guys grilling in a parking lot, and they started making this chicken, and look how far they've come. Let's go check out and see what we can get. Guys, I think the easiest way to show you the menu is right on my camera, my phone. But yeah, you just kind of walk up, order. You can do mobile ordering. One thing I do want to say, as I have my readers today, guys, here on Medling World, there's a lot of windows in here, so you get a lot of good lighting. Oh, it's got a little bit of theming there too. It's got an alligator. That's a little bit of a, maybe towards Florida. I don't know. I've never been in one. I don't know if they... There's some palm trees. I guess California has palm trees. I'm just trying to see if... Oh yeah, because it does say... I always say Kissimmee wrong. Kissimmee? Kissimmee? You know what I'm saying. Basically right here, Disney World, Orlando area. Let's take a look at the menu. Here we go. And this is actually the address right here. If you want to zoom in on that. Of the location I'm at. Let's just hit here. Let's act like we're going to order. Oh, hey, here we go. So it looks like they have some, like, almost like catering, I guess. Big box of tenders, sliders, bites, fries, hot box roulette. Oh, they have cauliflower, too. They have meatless options. Now, let's get down here to some of the meals. I think I wanted to try one of the sandwiches. So it's all tenders in here, by the way, guys. There's no, like, wings, flats, drums. It's all tenders. So they have a tenders with fries, sliders with fries. So just different combinations of what you can get. I think I'm just going to get this sandwich right here, guys. The Dave's one slider with fries, I think, is what I want to get. Here's the meatless option. So all the same kind of combinations, and you can get meatless. They got the bites. Okay, so here's some of the... Oh, they got loaded fries too. And here's some of the sides, mac and cheese, cheese fries. They have what's called kale slaw instead of coleslaw. And that does come on. I already studied this menu a little bit. This comes on what I'm going to get. It comes on the sandwich. They have different shakes. Lucky Charm. What? Large Lucky Charms. Oreo. All kinds of different ones. M&Ms. And then they have some regular shakes. Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. They have slushers. All different ones you can get. Look at that one. And then, of course, you have your regular drinks. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and get an order, and let's try it. So, guys, I did just order, and they just give you this. It'll go off. Also wanted to let you know there are, so it is called Dave's Hot Chicken, which I forgot to say, which I didn't even know. There's 7 levels of spice. So it starts with no spice, and it goes all the way up to Reaper. And I got mine, I got a medium, so I'm right in the middle. So I'm at level number 4 out of the 7. So I figured I'd start there, and then if I come back, I can kind of have an idea. And then I just got a regular fountain drink, and they have the machine there. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab a drink, and then we'll try this. Hyped up here, especially in Celebration. The neighbors and everything in the community I live, people going crazy for this, so I had to come try it and get a vlog out. So I got it to go. You can get it if you stay here to put it in like a tray in a little basket, but I just got it to go. This is the Dave sauce. It comes with Dave sauce. She actually gave me an extra one, an extra packet. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, look at that. So, this is the tender, and it's supposed to have the kale slaw on it. Oh, the pickles they put on the side, just in case you don't like it. Got some fries, and some dipping sauce here too. It's called Dave sauce is what they're calling it. We're gonna try that. All right, let me get this thing organized. Oh, one other thing is, they're seating outside, which I wanted to sit outside, but this door, it's got like one of those air doors they call it, where it blows the air down to keep the temperature, and it's really loud. Like the mechanism itself sounds like an old AC, really loud. So outside, a lot of noise there. So bear with me as I sit inside. All right, guys, I kind of have my camera sitting there so I can eat. I put all the pickles on there. See there's the slaw. More pickles. There's a ton of pickles. That's why they put them on the side, I guess. You don't even have to add. I put them all on. But I had a couple pickles on the bottom. I put 4 more on the top. Let's try it. First of all, not when I say hot, I'm talking about it's fresh and hot, made nice. I had to wait like 6 minutes for it, so it makes me think they cook them as you order them, which is nice. Spice level is, I think it's a little hot for a medium, to be honest with you. It's pretty warm. It's definitely got some heat on it. I'm glad I went with a medium. What I like about it is the spice factor makes it so I can still taste the chicken nicely. The bread tastes really good. I got to get a couple more bites to get some of that slaw with it. But, I mean, for one bite, it does taste very good. But I want to get into this sauce a little bit. I don't even think I want to put the sauce on the chicken. I love the way it tastes without it, but let's just try a fry. Let's try a fry, regular. Oh yeah. Oh, I like their fries. I always use McDonald's as like a baseline for fries. These are better than McDonald's fries. I like the, what do they call them? The crinkles, I guess, or whatever. But there's a little bit of seasoning on the fries. Not like it's a spicy seasoning, like maybe like a seasoned salt. These are really good and crispy. Oh, they're nice. Let's try the sauce. Try it with the sauce. Oh, the fries are good, man. I'm just gonna put my finger in it. Yeah, guys, it's okay. It's Medling World. This is how we roll. We keep it real on Medling World. Thought it would be kind of like Thousand Island. Very manual, yeah, like definitely mayonnaise. Not really like a Thousand Island. A little bit, but it's kind of got its own flavor. It's not spicy, but it does have definitely a mayo base, I would say. It's okay. I think it would cut down the heat a little bit, for sure. If you did get spiked with the medium. Oh, the medium's nice. Let me get a couple more bites in. Now you can see the kale. Look at that. Here's some of the kale. Not too bad. I'm gonna get a couple more bites in on this, and let's see. So I did notice one thing. I'll tell you in a minute, but put a little sauce on the end. Just try the tender. Oh, man, the tender is so good, man. It's so juicy, guys. Oh my God. Oh, it's good. Okay, what I wanted to say is, when you just eat it, like, if you just got the tenders with the medium heat, as I was saying, it has a little bit more spice than I would say normal medium. More kind of like a buffalo. But when you eat it, I took a few bites. When you eat it with the sandwich, let me try it again. It didn't seem as hot because I think that kale slaw and the pickles. Oh, the sauce is good. The Dave sauce on the tender is good. But as I was saying, with the kale slaw and the pickles, it does, in the bread, it does cut down the heat a little bit. Yes. I was curious about the kale slaw, but I like it. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it with the kale in it. This is pretty good, man. Definitely pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead, eat some more of it. Let's come back. I'm gonna give it a rating and some final opinions on Dave's Hot Chicken. I had to turn the camera on real quick because something came to my mind before I give my final thoughts. First off is I did take kind of the other pickles off. I didn't need to add those extra pickles on. It was kind of falling apart. So the extra pickles, I just kind of ate them in the sauce, the Dave sauce. It's almost got a little sweetness to it, a little bit of sweetness. So with the heat and a little bit of the sweet, very nice combination. I am enjoying it. Let me finish up and now we'll come back with our final thoughts and a rating. Wanted to come outside, finish up the vlog, but just wanted to show you what it looks like from this side. So it's in this plaza here. There's like a Nike factory outlet. Over on the other side you got like a CVS, is a Starbucks, AT&T phone. Let's walk over here. Let's jump on the sidewalk over here. So yeah, if you go across the street here, you head into Celebration. This is kind of down on the other end, the opposite end of World Drive. There's another Publix actually over there. That's not the one I work at, but there's another one. We call that the Water Tower Publix. But yeah, if you drive down in that way, you come right into Celebration over by like where the hospital and things are that way. Get you right into the village. But yeah, technically this is Kissimmee here. Oh, it was good, man. And the nice thing about it was the employees were awesome. They were happy to see me with the camera. They were thankful. Oh, I said, hey, yeah, I'm gonna put it, it's good. I told them it's good, I'm putting it on YouTube. Oh, thank you so much, I'm glad to hear it. So they were very welcoming. Again, a business that backs up their product by not being scared of a camera going in. That's the type of places I like to go. And I do want to give some final numbers here. You guys heard what I thought of the chicken. I don't think you're going to be surprised by the numbers that are going to come out here. I've tried a lot of different chicken places as I walk back across the street. I did Slim Chickens a while back, which I did like Slim Chickens. But you know what? The menu is so many different things at Slim Chickens. There's so many sauces and so many things you can get. This is the opposite. This is simple. It's tenders. You either get basically you get a tender sandwich or a tender. Very simple, done right. It was very good. The chicken was juicy, crispy. It had the heat. The medium was very warm. Just kind of show you again a little bit. The fries were, as I said, baseline McDonald's. I liked them better. And I think overall, I'd say the sandwich. Oh, I did like that sandwich, boy. That was a good sandwich. The kale slaw was a pleasantly happy surprise. I'm going 8.6 on the sandwich, man. The sandwich was awesome. And the fries, another 8.3 on the fries, man. Fries were awesome with the seasoned salt. And the sandwich was good. I don't think I needed to put the extra pickles. It held together good once I took those pickles off. One thing I like is, you know, when you get a chicken sandwich or any kind of a sandwich, a burger, if it starts falling apart when you're eating it, that becomes a pain. That one I kind of noticed I had so many pickles on there. Once I took those pickles off, it held good. And it was delicious with the kale slaw. The Dave sauce, again, had a little bit of sweetness to it. But good, again, very good. A little bit mayo-y, but not bad. So guys, there you have it. Definitely recommend Dave's Hot Chicken. I enjoyed making a vlog for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!